Hey, folks. I want to share. I'm here with one of my favorite authors, Ken Liu. Hello, Ken.
Divya, it's so great to see you. I was in North Carolina and I would never miss hanging out with you. And here we are today. You treated me for ice cream, and, but we're here to talk about just like some really cool, extraordinary things. And, Divya, I think, I just have to give you a special thanks today, And I brought a copy of my book. And this book I wrote, and I have special words for Divya because she's an amazing person. And I wrote, Divya, there are no words to describe above and beyond rock star. However, you have defined it. And thank you with all my heart, Ken, because authoring a book is pretty hard. And Divya just makes it so easy for you. So and what she did was extraordinary results. We're talking #1 best-selling author in 4 countries in 29 categories. That's unheard of. Never in a million years would have I ever dreamt about those results. And that's why I'm here today, because her heart is about helping others and paying it forward, and not about making money off books and all that kind of stuff. But if you're writing a book, do what I did. Learn what you don't know, and call Divya.
Thank you, Ken. You are so wonderful. Really appreciate. And folks, I gotta tell you, it's such an honor to be part of this journey, and he's doing such great things. And I want to highlight Ken also. So Ken, share us how you've taken this book and just turned it around and built the whole enterprise around it.
Yeah.
So just share with us.
It's really extraordinary. So, the journey started where I knew I had to get all of this information out, and it came out in the form of the Modern Wealth Building Formula. And then I realized, well, how am I going to get people to learn and be successful? Because everybody can do coaching. The key is making people successful in whatever coaching you're doing. So we put a platform, which is the Global Real Estate Investment Enterprise, and that includes a library of all the programs that came out of the Modern Wealth Building Formula, because it works for any type of real estate. So we have the Financial Freedom Protocol, which shows you how to do residential, wholesaling, fixing and flipping. The Modern Wealth Building Formula teaches about commercial real estate, also shows you how to syndicate any type of real estate. Then we have the Real Estate Development Made Simple program, which is the zenith of real estate, and what we're developing. And the reason why I'm in North Carolina, because we're developing 45 acres down here. But the beauty of it is I caught everybody's attention, all because of this book. And I was just selected by Dennis Quaid to create a Viewpoint documentary project called Real Estate Today, Keys to Investing, that's going to be going out to 60 million households. And it's all a result of the book, right? It's not, yes, being #1 is great, but you got to make a lot of noise. So, get with Divya. She'll make you #1. Then you make some noise, and just all kinds of great things happen, And now we're working on some just extraordinary stuff. Like you mentioned, the Millionaire, First Time Enter, and other things you're doing. And it's just real exciting to be in your hometown. Last time we were in New York together, and that's what it's all about: relationships and building your ecosystem and surrounding yourself that are people that are much better than yourself, and that's Divya Parekh.
And it goes the same way here, folks. Surrounding yourself with people that support you, uplift you, and are go-getters. And here's what I'll tell you, Ken. You have shared this such wonderful opportunity for people. How can they get in touch with you? Where can they find this opportunity?
Yeah. I try to keep it simple, because I used to have a million things and a million landing pages. Just go to kenvanliew.com, KenVanLiew, and you could actually get in touch with me. And we have the book we give away for free. We have the 11 Millionaire Secrets. We have the 10 Golden Nuggets. And we have just all kinds of fun stuff that you can get involved in. And we have a little, something coming out soon on the sneak preview of the documentary. And, we're just here to celebrate, and have some fun.
Absolutely. And folks, here's the thing, Ken, as you mentioned.
And which ice cream did you like better? Because she
picked
turned me
what
on
you
to
picked.
Yeah, we had a caramel, but I snuck in some coconut too, and that was really, really good.
Yeah, we didn't worry about calories or anything, just kind of went for it. And folks, I want to just touch upon one quick thing, like what Ken mentioned is about relationships.
Yeah.
It's not that somebody comes to you, writes a book, and you're done, or you're providing a service and you're done. No, they become your family.
Yes.
It's about pouring your heart in, and I'll tell you.
How many calls did I call you 11 o'clock at night? Divya, I'm in a panic. Ken, calm down. Are you breathing? Go ahead. I'm sorry to interrupt.
Oh, no, this is fun. I'm
But
glad that
that's
you're
what,
doing it.
that's what used to happen because, you know, you get stuck. I'm like, oh, my brain just stopped thinking. I can't write.
And Ken will provide the same ecosystem and wonderful opportunities for you guys. So folks, I'd definitely check his website out and
check out the enterprise, check out kenvanloo.com, check out, if you haven't subscribed, you know, down below there's a YouTube link. You're going to see this on Divya's YouTube channel too, and you know, we're here to just, you know, share what we're doing, update everybody, and get ready to, you know, collaborate on things. When the book started, I didn't really actually know what to do, and she gave me a new path also in life, you know, that I get to share, you know, my opportunity with more people that I had, and there's, you know, there's nothing else really to do. You know, my kids are grown up. We got an empty nest now, right? And
that's right.
I'm still with the same woman after 40 years, and
that's awesome.
She has this big garden, and you know, and just loves what she's doing, and she's moving into regulatory work now. So you know, those chemists are smart. You know, after 3 patents, now she does whatever she wants. She's the boss.
Well, that's right. And I gotta tell you, folks, life is all about impact.
Yes, it really is.
That's why we enjoy these kind of friendships where, you know, you are driving an impact, I'm driving an impact, and it's all about influencing others and helping others.
Yeah, can you tell us where we can get in touch with you? Because Divya is going to actually come and speak as a special guest for the Enterprise. So sneaking that into my Enterprise guest, show you how to do it if you're interested. And I already told her about my partner in crime, Elaine Escoda, architect. That does some design work for us and into bioarchitecture, and you know, and Divya is really into that also. You know, she was, you know, just, you know, talking about sustainability and, you know, and how to sustain and move forward in life. You know, that's what it's all about. You know.
Absolutely. Well, folks, I'm on social media, and you can reach out to me at contact@divyaparekh.com. And look forward to serving and supporting them. So
did you want to
wonderful.
tell them about the new website? Or you're still launching? Oh, it's still a secret? Maybe not yet.
It's not a secret yet.
Well,
you know, I want this to be about you.
Okay.
Ken. Yeah.
Next time.
Next time.
All
So,
right,
folks, catching
see
up.
that? That's giving is receiving right there. Thank you, my dear. It's been a real pleasure. She's my buddy.
Yes, and it was such a pleasure with you too.
Yes, definitely.
So, folks, make sure that you're appreciating someone and go spend, like, you know, as I'm talking in my podcast, spend 1 hour every month just giving to someone without any strings attached. Just give that 1 hour away. And until next time, take care and be well.
Yes.